how to fix opening tabs on startup in Opera GX. Now, the first thing you need to do is there are a few ways. You must know that there are a few ways to fix this problem. But the best way is from here, open your sidebar and click on settings. If your settings doesn't show, then click on the three dots at the bottom and then make sure you turn on settings under here. Make sure it is marked so it will appear here. Then you click on settings and then you scroll down to the last option where you have on startup, and here you can now choose one of the following. So you can choose begin fresh with start page. That means it will open the start page only. If you choose retain tabs from previous session, it will open the tabs you had opened when you last closed Opera GX. When you launch your Opera GX, instead of it to start with a fresh page, it will start from the last tabs you used. So that's it. Then under this, you also have the option for display the start page first. If you want, you can turn it on to display the start page before showing the other tabs that you used before closing Opera GX. Then you can also choose the option to open a specific page or set of pages. So if you choose this option, it means it will open the pages you specify. So you can add to ask you when Opera is set up by shortcut, specify a URL. So you choose this if you want it to ask you, and then you mind the exceptions. Then you can also choose to run when the computer starts or not. It depends on you. Hope you found this video helpful. But one more thing, you can also check for extensions if that doesn't work. Even if it doesn't work, you can also check for extensions. So, and disable anything that you think might be the problem. You can also check the properties of your Opera GX shortcuts to make sure they haven't been modified to pass any URLs to the launcher. You can also check for multiple Opera GX windows. If you have multiple windows, then you need to close them properly. And if you want to exit Opera GX without closing any windows, you click the menu button at the top left and choose exit. This is the menu button at the top left, and then you choose exit if you don't want to close any windows. So that's it. If you're still having issues, you can try resetting Opera GX to its default settings. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for